Throughout the speech, he was flying from one place to another, and his hands were always up in the air, filled with confidence. So that was the brilliant opening of your speech, and how you bring about your birth. So he started out, I was crying, and then finally, fellow Toastmasters, this is how I came into this world. So that was one of the most brilliant openings I have ever seen in this Toastmasters club. So let me just tell you that he was supposed to be doing his CC1 today, but the the attempted objectives were from CC1, CC2, CC4, and CC5. So let's give a big round of applause for that. So let me just break your evaluation into two, which is the delivery and the content. So with respect to the delivery, as I said, there was like a brilliant self-confidence when you came up on stage. And then the important thing is you did not use any notes at all, which showed that you had adequate preparation for the speech. And you had used voice modulation in many places, like the HOD conversation. We actually could relate that there were two people in that conversation. And you had used hand gestures like flew like a bird, which is the only one that captured me, so I'm just going to stick to that. That's about it with the delivery. So with respect to the content, you had used a lot of rhetorical devices which enhanced your speech, like when you're describing how a bullet was piercing your heart, and then you started shivering. So that was one brilliant usage, and other places where you have to mention about the love, saying that it is an immature love, it was like a shattered love. And then another important thing is you had like a clear content to your speech. You had three messages, and you had emphasized on those three messages as and when you had told them. And yeah, let's move on to the a few recommendations which I could give to you. With respect to CC1, there is nothing I can tell you to improve upon. So let me just tell what you could have improved upon. So like when you're giving like a powerful message saying like your dad sacrificed this time, dad sacrificed their lives for our self-realization. So at that point your voice was sort of weak. And it was at the same pace as the way you were talking beforehand. So maybe if you had increased the power of your voice, and you had like fixated yourself at the center of the stage, get the attention of the whole audience at that moment, it would have made a greater impact to it. So and there was like a sign of nervousness that you were like flying around the stage like this. So which is something you should have to improve upon. And with respect to the yeah, and one more thing, you had at some points you did not have a continuous flow of sentences. Every time you had a full stop, you had to pause, and that sort of was not very entertaining. Okay. So yeah, with respect to the content, I had a few suggestions. So when you said that you had three messages that you had to deliver towards the end of the speech, if you could have re-emphasized those messages, it would have been like a takeaway for the audience. And one more thing is, rather than just, it's not like a suggestion but a recommendation. Just okay, it's a suggestion. Okay. Rather than just fixate upon what you did in your school days and your college days, I would have liked to know what are your aspirations for your future. So CC1 is about knowing about you, and I know about the past you. I just wish I knew how you are going to be in the future and what you aspire to become. So that's it. So you are like a confident bird on stage, but if you could improve upon these few points, I think you would have made a great speech. Looking forward to your further speech. Thank you.